transplanting violas today with me, then you're in the right place. I seeded these back in March 25th to be exact, and they've grown into beautiful little seedlings. I'll give you a closer look. I did plant, let's see, how many are in here? 4 times 3, 12 times 3, so 36 different pots of these. And I put 3 to 4 seeds in each pot, but these are the only ones that have really survived. They all were grown in the same conditions, but that's the importance of when you want to grow your own flowers from seed, you have to make a lot. So these, there's still a few there, but if you see the white, it's covered in mold. Now, that doesn't mean I have to throw these out, but it does mean that I probably need to leave them out in the sun so that can dry up. I can scrape that off, or I can spray it with a solution of peroxide and water to kill the mold. Alright, and then I did a little experiment. When I was doing research on how to plant violas, there were different philosophies. Some said you have to plant them in the dark and let them germinate in the dark, and then others said that you didn't have to do that. So for the first 2, I germinated those in the dark, and it worked. In like a week, they had germinated. For these though, I germinated in light, and you see, they didn't survive. I would say for violas, definitely seed in the dark and let it germinate there, and then move it to the light. So alright, let's hop into transplanting these. I have a beautiful window box that I got from my local hardware store. And that's what we're going to be putting these plants into today. I'm going to go ahead and take the liner out and set my window box aside so I don't get that dirty. I also have my soil here and some water for when we get finished up. Alright, let's get to it. Pod. These are supposed to be planted about 6 inches apart. I'm probably doing about 3 or 4. So I thought about planting these, but these are the moldy ones. So I'm not going to infect this bunch. I'm going to save these for another time. Put them back into the tray. You just squeeze the bottom, and they just pretty much fall out. This is quite a big one here. Quite a big one. Use my finger, poke a hole in the soil, wherever I'd like, cover it up, keep going. This one looks like it has 3 in it. Squeezing the bottom, comes out. don't really want to damage the roots, so I'm being very careful. Just barely touching it. There's that one. Little one here to plant. I'm gonna put it over here in the corner. Maybe we'll put it right here. It's a pretty long root, so I want to just drop it in there. I don't want to really disturb it. There we go. Okay, perfect. So I also have this chamomile, which is quite pretty. Like, look at this. It's so pretty. It's doing really well. There's going to be big white flowers, and I can actually eat this, you know, make tea out of it. So these grow quite big, so I'm just going to take 2 of them out of here and throw them in. They're supposed to be planted 12 inches apart, so. Using my finger to dig a hole. And in it goes. Gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so I also have this plant food for flowering plants. These are going to have beautiful black flowers, that's what violas are, and then the chamomile are going to have white flowers, so it's going to be a cute little contrast. On the package it says 1/2 teaspoon per plant, and so I have 10 plants here, so I'm going to put in 5 teaspoons. There's 5. My dog is barking because he really wants to come out here. He's barking like something was wrong, but he's just scratching at the window. We'll go get him in a little bit. All right, so we've done that. And then the last thing is we need to water the plants. Oh, I accidentally got that on my lantern. That's probably good. We don't want to overwater, so voila! There we go. We have our transplanted little seedlings. If you guys enjoyed transplanting these seedlings with me today, then make sure you subscribe so that you can see how they do as they bloom throughout the summer. I'll also be planting so many other things, so until next time, thank you so much.